Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about objects in Java, okay? So first of all, we need to create a project. So click on File, New, and then click on Java Project, okay? And for the project name, just type in here Objects and click on Finish. So as you can see here, our project is now created. So we need a class for our project. So just click on this src folder, or you can click on this objects project, click on File, New, and then click on Class, okay? So remember that for every project that you create in Java, you need a main class, okay? So now we want to actually create a main class for our project. So just type in here main, and for the package name, just type in a reverse domain here, com.yourname.project name objects, okay? And for the modifiers, choose public, and here make sure that you check this checkbox here that says public static void main method, okay? This is going to be the starting point for actually running our Java codes, okay? Otherwise our codes won't be executed at all, okay? So this method is very important. But because this class that we are actually creating now is the main class of our project, this method is required for this class, okay? So just click on Finish, and as you can see here, our class is now created, and this is our main method, okay? And here, let me actually delete this comment here, and in order to make this editor area much wider, double click on this main.java tab here. So as you can see here, our editor area is now much wider. So as I said earlier in this tutorial, I want to talk about objects. Okay, so what are objects? First of all, let me point out that Java is an object-oriented programming language, okay? So what is an object? What do you see when you look at the world around you? You see objects, right? In Java, we've got the same objects too. So what is the definition of an object? Objects are representation of things. Let's look at the world around us. You see objects everywhere. For example, animals are objects, okay? A lion is an object. A person is an object. A pen is an object, okay? Your desk is an object. And lots of other examples. So when you, for example, look at a lion, you can right away tell me the characteristics and behaviors of this lion, okay? For example, the characteristics of a lion are: a lion has powerful legs, okay? The second characteristic is a lion has a strong jaw. The third characteristic is a lion is brave, okay? So now let's talk about the behaviors of a lion, okay? For example, the behaviors of a lion are: a lion spends much of his time resting and is inactive for about 20 hours per day, okay? The second behavior is a lion attempts to catch the victim with a fast rush. The third behavior is a lion takes advantage of the factors that reduce visibility, okay? So how we can relate this example to Java? So first, we need to create a Java class called lion, okay? So now let's actually create a Java class. So click on this package here, okay? And then click on File, New, and then click on Class. So for the name of the class, just type in here lion with the capital L, okay? And here for the package, as you can see, it's gonna put this class inside this package, okay? So that's why I actually clicked on this package and then I started to create a class, okay? So this is very important. So this class is going to be inside this package, okay? And for the modifiers, choose public and then click on Finish. Our class is now created. The name of our class is lion, okay? So what is a class? As I said earlier, a class is a blueprint for creating objects, okay? Without a blueprint, you cannot create an object. So suppose that you want to create a car. What would be the first step in order to actually create a car? First of all, you need a blueprint that shows you exactly how you can create a car, okay? So for example, this is a blueprint for creating a car, okay? This blueprint is going to actually show me exactly how I can create a car, okay? So in Java programming language, the blueprint is the class that we create in our projects, okay? For example, this class is going to be a blueprint in order to show us exactly how I can create lion objects, okay? So as you can see here, there are no instructions inside this class. So now I want to actually put some instructions inside this class in order to show me how I can create lion objects, okay? So now let's go back to our car example. First of all, you need a blueprint in order to show you exactly how you can create a car, okay? So a car has some characteristics and behaviors. So what are the characteristics of a car? Okay, the characteristics of a car are, first of all, a car has 4 wheels. Second of all, a car has a braking system. And thirdly, a car has a steering system, okay? And a car has some behaviors too. So what are the behaviors of a car? Firstly, a car can move, and secondly, a car can brake. Okay, so now let's go back to our code because I want to show you how you can create objects out of classes, okay? So now I want to give some characteristics to my lion class, okay? So first of all, a lion can run very fast. So now I want to actually create a variable in order to store the amount of speed that a lion can run, okay? Int, okay? The name of my variable is speed, and then I can assign a value to my variable, for example, 100. Okay, and then at the end of my statement, I need to put in a semicolon. So as you can see here, this variable here is the characteristic of my lion class. Okay, this variable here is going to show us what would be the amount of speed of our lion objects. Okay, so now I want to actually create a lion object from this class. So how can I do that? So first of all, let me point out that always save your classes. So if you are using Mac OS X, just press on Command key plus the S key on your keyboard in order to save your class. But if you are using a Windows machine, press on Control key plus the S key on your keyboard in order to save your class, okay? So as you can see here, there is a little star here beside my class name, okay? So now if I actually save my project, as you can see, that little star is now gone, okay? This means that my class is now successfully saved, okay? So go back inside the main class, and here I want to create an object from this lion class. I want to create a lion object, okay? So in order to create an object from a class, first of all, you need to refer to the name of that class. So the name of my class is lion, as you can see here, okay? So here I just need to type in lion. So as you can see here, the name of my class is lion, okay? And here I want to give a name to my lion object. So the name of my lion object is my lion, and then I want to instantiate my lion object, okay? I put an assignment operator here, and then I use the new keyword here. Okay, this is very important. Whenever that you want to create an object from a class, you need to put this new keyword after the assignment operator, okay? This new keyword means that we want to create a new object from that specific class. In this case, we want to create a new object from this lion class, okay? So new, and again, I need to refer to the name of my class, lion, and then I put a pair of round brackets after my class name. And then at the end of my statement, I need to put in a semicolon, okay? So as you can see here, our object is now created, okay? So now that our object is created, it's going to be saved inside the memory, okay? So in order to actually show you how this object is going to be saved inside the memory, so first of all, let me show you the address of this object inside the memory. So I just need to type in here system.out.println, and then inside the parentheses, I just need to refer to the name of my object, and then at the end of my statement, I need to put in a semicolon, okay? So now if I run my project, as you can see, this is the address of our object inside the memory, okay? You don't need to know that where this object is actually saved. You just need to know that your object is created and it is stored somewhere inside the memory, okay?